Let's count down the top 3 fastest birds in flight. At number 3 with the speed of 187 to 209 km per hour we have Gyrfalcon, the largest falcon species, mastering both speed and endurance in icy Arctic winds. At number 2 is the golden eagle with a speed range of 240 to 320 km per hour. This majestic raptor combines speed with sharp vision to dominate the skies. The fastest is a peregrine falcon with a speed between 360 and 389 km per hour. The ultimate speedster of the animal kingdom, the peregrine falcon dives like a missile. Which one's your favorite? Tell us below. And to know the top 3, stay connected.